Hello guys, happy to see you again guys. Today I want to share to you how to make some brake pad, and then I show you the picture and then let's go make it guys. Okay guys, first of all we have to create some shapes, and then I go to shapes to make it. I join this here guys, you can follow me, and then I go to make a line down about 30, and then I go to the left about 20, and then I make it a line again like this, and this I change to 105 degrees, and then the line is 20. Okay, and then guys, I want to make it a line again about 15, and the degrees is 165, and enter, and then I want to go like this says, you can follow me with a 3-point arc, and go like this. I have to use this as my support line to make it a middle, and then I click okay, and then I have to fillet this edge 5 with a 5 millimeter, and then this 5 2, and the other one is 5, and then I finish it, and then I have to extrude up about maybe this 5, and then we go to use a mirror, so we don't have to create another body. We just use mirror and make it another one bodies like this size, and I make it as a new body, and I click OK. Okay, and then we have to move this one and this one to the left, and move it to the other one to the right about -1, and enter. So I get the center of it, and then I go to press L on my keyboard and create a sketch like that, and then I go with this fill, and then I'm gonna make it like this to the up about 3, and then I make it line to the left from here about 24, sorry, 21, and to the right 21, and then I want to make it 3-point arc from here and here, and the last thing I pick this one and make it like this, and then I go to extrude to cut, and I click that sketch and cut to the up until we cut it, and OK. Okay guys, and then let's go to make the last thing, and then I use a create sketch I click anywhere on the field. Okay, and I fix the field like this, and I start to make it a sketch, and maybe I turn on the last sketch we made, and I start from here, and this tree. Okay, and I'm gonna make it line again to the left about 24, and to the right about 24, and then I'm gonna make it a 3-point arc from here to here and here. Okay, and then I try to make it a line to the left about 8, and make it line like this. This is 116, and the line is 8, and line again like this about 5, and then I go to with a line again about 21 like that, and then I make it the other side 8, and another one like this about and then the line is 8. We make sure it's the same, and then line again to the right about 5, and then to the up about 21. Okay, and then I want to make a support line from here to the up about 1 millimeter, and then the last thing I will use a 3-point arc from here and end to this point, and the last one is here. Okay guys, this is nice. And then the last thing we have to reset and extrude the last sketch we made to the up. Maybe just keep 5, it's okay. And then finish this. It's very easy to make a brakepad. And then I will give some touch. I will give a fillet from this all of H maybe, and press F for fillet. Fillet this one, this H, this one, and then the other one is this one, and this one, and then this one. And I give a 2. Okay, and okay. Okay guys, it's very easy. And the last thing I will give some hole. I will use this here, and I will make it from center. I will make it a super line like this. Like everything. Okay, and this is about I'm gonna find the middle, and I have not solved it. Okay, the reason is 22 for point 125. The other one is same. Okay, and then I want to make it a circle. It's 10 and 10 for the diameters. And the last one I have to extrude this circle and count it about this one minus one. And then we finish this brake clean it and look around. Okay guys, it's very easy guys. Okay guys, the last thing I want to make it, I'm going to change the material, and I will find the material on the metal folder, and I will use some steel. Okay. Maybe I will use steel as HCM. Okay, close it. Okay guys. You can see the text. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video guys, and I will see you on the next video guys. Thank you.